following message is issued by local authorities in Clarendon, Arkansas. At approximately 8:42 p.m. Central Time, an unusual seismic event was detected in the Clarendon area. The tremor was caused by a localized non-tectonic source originating from a live-streamed event. During an online broadcast on Twitch, streamer Caseoh performed a high-impact jump. Upon landing, the force generated a shockwave strong enough to register as a 3.8 magnitude earthquake. Emergency services report minor structural damage throughout the city, including cracks in roadways, displaced objects, and shaken fixtures. No serious injuries have been confirmed at this time. Residents are advised to take the following precautions: move away from windows, shelves, and unsecured objects. Inspect your property for damage. Remain indoors if conditions are unsafe. Authorities are monitoring the situation closely. Additional high-impact activity could result in further tremors. Residents are urged to maintain caution and report any unusual structural damage immediately. Stay tuned to local media and official channels for updates. This is a developing situation.